a 1.5-inch threaded valve, and the HC XXL or extra large mounting bracket. Okay, line it up. Attach the motor assembly. And center the pivot points. Are centered. Looks centered. Tighten pins against the handle. Test stroke using the control module. Control with your smartphone. Control open close with a smart button. I've programmed this once for close and twice for open, so I'm just going to show you part of a stroke. There's the close, and I'm going to double click for open. The real purpose is the leak sensor. Have a leak. Turns off the water. And that's it.